Welcome to my channel, Ana Lana. Today we are going to learn how to make this hat in crochet using two colors. In my last video, I was showing you the same stitch, but we just used just one color and it was for an adult size. So this one is going to be a smaller hat, but it's beautiful because again, it's reversible. And I am including a chart that has all the sizes. So for the purpose of this tutorial, we will be knitting a hat for a baby that is about 6 to 12 months. Remember, all the measurements are approximated. So stay with me through the whole tutorial and remember to give me a like. So I use 56 grams of acrylic yarn, weight 4, and the crochet hook is 5.5 millimeters. The yarn recommends 5 millimeters, but I wanted to go a little bit looser because this stitch is kind of dense. I'm beginning with 33 chains. Remember, you can always adjust the length. So in this case, although the chart says 31, I just want to make it a little bit longer. So I finished the 33 chains and now I look where I see all the bellies. I'm going just to insert the hook in the second space and I'm going to pull the yarn and make a single crochet. So now pass the hook through this very first loop and now go to the first space and pass the hook, pull the yarn. Now we have 3 loops and knit them all. We are not going to make a chain. Pass the hook in the first loop, then in the next space, pull the yarn. Now we have 3 loops on the hook and now knit them all. And we are going to continue doing this stitch until we get to 6 chains before the end. So now, if you need help with this stitch, I'm leaving a video just about the stitch in the description box. Now we have 6 more chains left, and in the next one, which is the chain space number 6, I'm going to make a single crochet. And then I'm going to continue knitting slip stitches. So I will have a total of 5 slip stitches. This is my last slip stitch. Now I make a chain and turn the work. So now we are going to start with row number 2 and I'm going to do 5 slip stitches but using the outside loop. You see, I'm going to take the outside loop. I finished the 5 slip stitches and now the next one, number 6, is a single crochet. And we will start with the stitch. Take the loop, now go to the next space and put the hook through, pull the yarn, and now knit the 3 loops. And again, you will continue making this stitch until you get to the end of the row. Okay, so I got to the end of row number 2. So this is my last stitch. I knit them all, and now for the first time I will make a chain. And then I turn the work and I just make sure that the work has all this line in front of me. So I will take the outside loop and the one single crochet. This is my first one. And then I'll continue taking the loop using the space. Now I have 3 loops and knit them. And I'll continue doing this stitch until I have 6 spaces left. And now I'm here and I will start with single crochet and I will continue with a slip stitch for the 5 remainder points. 3, 4, and now we are going to knit the last one, and here I'm going just to join the other color. So I am having a very light blue, a baby blue, so I'm going to pull that through. I know it's not noticeable, but it is another color. And then I make a chain. So I turn the work, And this is now I already knit the other color, but I just want to make sure that you can see more clear. So now again, I'm going to be making 5 slip stitches. 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is with the different color. And now the number 6, we are going to make a single crochet, and then I'm going to continue with the stitch. Take the loop, use the space, pull the yarn. Now I have 3 loops and knit them all. And again, loop, space, yarn, knit them all. So in total, we are going to make 2 rows with the color, the contrasting color. We are going to finish this one and then returning. And then we will be joining the white color, and I will be showing you that in a moment. Okay, we are at the end of the second row and we have 6 more spaces. So in the number 6, a single crochet. And I will continue making slip stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and now in the 5th one, that's where we are going to change to the white color. So I take the white string, I pass the hook and pull the yarn. And now pull the string to make it tighter. And basically, this is the way we join the colors. Make a chain and turn the work. And we are going to continue now making 5 slip stitches, 1 single crochet, and the rest is the stitch that we just learned. So this is our last slip stitch, and now we are going to make 1 single crochet, and we are going to take the loop, take the space, and we will continue with our stitch until the end of the row. So in total, we are going to make 4 rows of the white color. So we are going to use the basic color for 4 rows and then change with the contrasting color for 2 rows. Okay, so I think we've been crocheting long enough. So I have already 41 centimeters, which is 16 inches wide. And now I'm going to be making my last row in white because the beginning was with white. That way it's going to be easier to join both sides. I'm going to be joining them with slip stitches. Let me just show you. So this is my last loop. I'm going to pull it from the other side. I pass the hook and pull the yarn. I'm making 1 chain, and now I'm going to be taking 1 loop from each side. So the loop that is towards me, I take this one, and now the loop that is on the other side, the exterior loop. And now I'm going to be passing through the yarn and doing slip stitch. So again, the loop here and the loop there. And then we are going to pull the yarn and make a slip stitch, and we are going to continue making slip stitches until we get to the top of the hat. And it's going to be looking like this, very similar to the rows that we have here. So next we are going to be cutting the yarn, and with the help of a tapestry needle we are going to be closing the top. And then we are going to be passing the needle through the stitches at the top, and we are going to be tightening it. So that way we can close this top. So you can put a pom-pom if you want it. In this case, I'm going to leave it alone, but this is going to be very easy. Okay, my dear friends, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and by now you will be able to make a hat in 2 or 3 colors. It looks really nice. So remember to give me a like, to subscribe if you haven't done so. That way you can see my next videos. And by the way, when you look for me in YouTube, YouTube has me as Anna for Lana. And if you see this little cat, just click it, and here you will find all my videos. So I hope to see you next time in my channel, Anna Lana.